There's one way to build an offer that gets a business owner to say yes on the spot. No, let me think about it. No, send me some information. No, waiting around for a reply that never comes. Just yes. So if you keep hearing, sounds great, let me think about it, and then just getting ghosted forever, I want you to know that it's not because you're bad at sales, and it's not because your prices are too high. It's simply because the offer that you're putting in front of the business owner just wasn't irresistible enough. Because the truth is, the best offers, they don't need thinking time. That's why today I'm going to show you how to build one of those. An offer so clear, so valuable, and so easy to say yes to that saying no starts to feel like a bad and irresponsible decision. And these two tools that you see here on my desk, well, they're going to help me explain it. This one does exactly one job, and when that job needs doing, it's the only tool that anyone reaches for. This one, on the other hand, does like 20 different things, and on the surface, that sounds more valuable, but when you actually need one of those jobs done, it's rarely the first tool that you reach for, especially when there's another tool designed specifically for that job. So instead, it mostly just lives in a drawer, waiting for a camping trip that never comes. Here's the uncomfortable part. To most business owners out there, beginner agency owners tend to look and feel and sound more like this tool here, the jack of all trades, master of none. The kind of business that offers to rebuild your website and rank you on Google and wash your car, all at the same time. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why that is and how to fix it. And to do that, I'm gonna give you all 4 parts of what I call the one tool offer, including the exact words to say, word for word, that you can take to a business owner this week to give them an offer that they can't refuse. And the reason I know this works so well is because I spent years doing almost the exact opposite. See, things are good today, but it wasn't always like this. Years ago, I just had my first kid and I was desperate to make things work. So I was making close to 100 cold calls a day. Every day. I basically knew every single receptionist in a 3-town radius by first name. And whenever someone actually stayed on the line, I'd list off everything that I could possibly do for them. The ads, websites, social media, whatever made me sound useful in that moment. And you know what? Way fewer people than you would have imagined actually said no. Instead, they said something much, much worse, which was some version of, sounds interesting. Let me think about it. But unlike a direct no that lets you close that book and then just move on to the next person on your list, a let me think about it is gonna live rent-free in the back of your mind for days, weeks, maybe even months, as you follow up and hope and dream that maybe, just maybe, they're going to convert and turn into a client. But they rarely do. Since then, I've built 3 7-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, and run thousands of campaigns. And today, I do it all as a one-person agency with 0 employees. So this isn't something that I just read about somewhere. This is what I actually do every single day. And the biggest difference that I've seen between the agency owners who get clients and end up building a business on their own terms versus the ones who stay stuck for years isn't talent, and it isn't effort either. It's the ones who get clients make better offers, which is really good news because talent takes years, but an offer, that's something you can fix this afternoon. So here's how it normally goes. When most people start an agency, the way they introduce themselves sounds something like this. I do social media and paid ads and websites and SEO and email marketing. Oh, and I've been learning AI automation too. But now I want you to picture the business owner on the other end of that message. He's a landscaper. It's 7 p.m. He's been on the job site all day and he's reading your list of 9 different confusing sounding services while standing in his kitchen eating cold lasagna over the sink. Somewhere around service number 4, his eyes glaze over. He doesn't know what half of those words mean. He can't tell which one he actually needs. And now hiring you has turned into a research project that he's got to do on his one evening off. So he sends back the one sentence that kills more agencies than anything else on earth. Sounds great. Let me think about it. And now you know what that sentence actually means. It means I'm never going to think about it again, but I'd like to end this conversation peacefully. And it all happens because you didn't give him an offer. Instead, you gave him homework. And people hate homework. So here's the fix. I call this the one tool offer, and it has 4 parts. Each part removes a reason to say no. And when there's no reason left to say no, yes becomes the easy, obvious, and only answer available. So let's build yours right now, part by part. Part 1, sell one thing. Your offer should only ever contain one clear service. Not a menu of services, not a package with 3 different tiers, just one thing. And there's real psychological science behind this that backs it up. Back in 2000, 2 psychologists, one at Columbia, one at Stanford, set up a jam tasting table in a fancy grocery store and ran an experiment on hundreds of real shoppers over 2 Saturdays. Sometimes the table had 24 different flavors of jam on it. Other times, just 6 different flavors. Now, common sense here says that the 24 flavor table is gonna sell more jam. I mean, more options, more chances that someone finds a flavor of jam that they love, right? Well, as you probably already guessed, that's wrong. The people who stopped at the 6 flavor table turned out to be 10 times more likely to buy some jam than the people at the 24 flavor table. This worked out to about 30% of the people who stopped at the small table with 6 choices buying some jam, compared to only 3% of people who stopped at the big table with 24 options buying any at all. Now, we're talking same store, same brand. The only thing that changed was how many choices people were shown, and this is a very big deal. Seriously, cannot say this strongly enough. If you understand what this means and how to apply it, you can make a lot more money. In the jam study, the simpler choice increased purchases by literally 10 times. And that's certainly been my experience over the years. And I've absolutely been that guy. The guy offering way too many options to potential clients and the guy staring at way too many options myself and leaving with nothing. This is because an overwhelmed brain doesn't pick the best option. It picks no option and just walks away. And that's why this thing here, well, this gets used and the multi-tool doesn't. Nobody stands in the garage weighing the drill against its 20 alternatives. The hole needs drilling, the drill drills holes, done. The decision takes 0 seconds. Your offer needs to work exactly the same way. One job, 0 deliberation. Now here's the objection that often comes up, and I get it, but it's wrong. Here's how it goes. But Adam, if I only offer one thing, I'm leaving money on the table. So let me just say this plainly. The clients you think you're losing by offering less and just focusing on one thing, they were never gonna hire the 9-service version of you anyway, because that version was getting, let me think about it. So you're not giving up clients, you're giving up confusion, and you're giving up the people who are never gonna choose you anyway. Now, if you already know your one thing, fantastic, just go with that. But if you don't know your one thing yet, let me just make the decision for you. Google reviews for local businesses. It's the one service that every local business owner immediately understands, and they know why it matters and how important it is. So that's the one I'd pick if I were starting today, and it's the one we're gonna use as our example here. Okay, moving on to part 2, name the result. And this is the part where almost everybody, including agencies that have been around for years, get it wrong. Because here's what most people do when they're offering a service like helping local businesses get more Google reviews. Instead of just saying that directly, they say something like, I do reputation management. But here's what the business owner hears when they hear you say reputation management. They hear nothing, 0. They've got no idea what you're talking about, because reputation management is an agency word, not a regular everyday business owner word. So here's the rule. Your offer should never name the service you're providing. Instead, it should name the result that you get for someone in words that the business owner already knows and uses. But let me give you an example. Instead of saying something like, I do reputation management for landscapers, you just simplify it and you say, I help landscapers get more Google reviews, which means more customers find you, trust you, and buy from you. So that's the whole job of part 2. Make the offer so clear that the business owner understands it immediately. All right, part 3. And this is the one that separates an okay offer from an offer that feels almost ridiculous to say no to. Guarantee the result. So here's what that part of the offer actually sounds like. And this is a line that you might want to write down or screenshot. And if you don't have more reviews by the end of the first month, then you don't pay. And just like before, there's real science that backs this up too. See, there was a psychologist named Daniel Kahneman who won the Nobel Prize for his work. And one of his most famous findings was that losing something hurts about twice as much as winning something that same size feels good. So in other words, losing $100 hurts roughly twice as much as winning $100 feels good. Which means when a business owner looks at your offer, the question in their head isn't, what could I gain? It's actually, what could I lose? And that question is what's been killing your deals, even the ones where the business owner liked you and genuinely wanted to work with you. But the moment you add that guarantee, the entire calculation changes, because now you haven't just made the offer more attractive, you've made the downside disappear. And an offer with no downside beats a discounted offer every single day of the week, because a discount shrinks the risk, but a guarantee deletes it. So let's talk about how you can safely promise to get more reviews in 30 days, because it sounds scary, but I promise you, it's not fancy, it's not complicated. You see, business owners don't actually have a review problem. What they have is a remembering problem. The business owner forgets to ask for a review. The front desk, they forget too. The technician who finishes the job, well, they just leave and they forget too. And the customer who is totally happy and meant to leave a review, they forgot to because life gets busy. And the fix for a remembering problem isn't more effort from the business owner. It is a system that remembers for them so they don't have to. Now, could you do all of that manually? Sure, you could keep a list of their customers, and every time a job wraps up, you could send the review request yourself, and you could sit down with his old customer list and message a few past customers each week. I mean, that works, and it costs nothing. But notice what just happened. Now, you're the one who has to remember. So you'd be solving his remembering problem by making it your remembering problem. So this is exactly the kind of job that you want to automate by just handing it over to software. The software I use for this is called High Level, and it's what I run my entire one-person agency on with no employees. So let me show you the review system that I built that I call the review engine. So here's what the system does. Every time a job finishes and gets marked as complete, it automatically triggers a review request that goes out to the customer automatically. Now, this happens every time, automatically, nobody has to remember anything. And to stay compliant with Google's terms of service, we send the same message with the same Google review link to every customer. There's no picking favorites, no filtering for the happy ones, same message, same link, everyone the business actually served. And that message looks like this. Again, you might want to screenshot this or write this down as well. Hi Sarah, Mike here from ABC Landscaping. Just wanted to say thanks again for the opportunity. If you have 30 seconds, would you mind sharing your experience in a quick Google review? It helps other homeowners know that they can trust us. Now, let me show you where the guarantee becomes a whole lot more than just a promise. Through the review reactivation campaign. How this works is that the system goes through the business's list of past customers. Basically everyone that they're allowed to contact, not just the ones they think were happy. And finally, it asks the people who were simply never asked in the first place to leave a review. Now, just like before, same message, same link, we send it slowly and respectfully, a few at a time, and anyone who'd rather not hear from the business can just opt out with one tap. Now, I want you to picture what all of that adds up to, because we're talking about potentially years of satisfied customers finally getting asked for a review, probably for the very first time. Now, naturally, some of them are going to ignore the message, some of them are going to say no, but some of them are going to say yes. That's just basic math. And in case you're wondering what this costs you in time, well, setting up the system takes maybe 60 to 90 minutes one time. After that, you're looking at about 10 to 15 minutes a week, checking that it's running and sending the owner an update on his numbers. Now, you can go and build this for yourself, or you can just copy and paste what I'm doing, as I've already built the entire system. The automatic requests, the reactivation campaigns, the follow-up, all of it. And it's sitting inside my agency OS, ready to be installed into your account with just the push of a button. It all runs on High Level, which, as I mentioned before, is the software I run my entire one-person agency on, so here's the fastest way to get it. I've got a link in the descriptions below this video where you can grab an extended 30-day free trial of High Level, and when you start through my link, you'll also unlock my complete agency OS, which has over $10,000 in pre-built funnels and follow-up automations, client outreach scripts and sales scripts, and a 90-day launch roadmap, all installed into your account with one click. There's a private community access as well, and a whole lot more. And the link's in the description below the video. Also, real quick tip for when you sign up, you're gonna see a few different plan options, and I just go with the $297 unlimited plan. This is the plan that's going to give you unlimited client accounts, which is everything that you need to run what I've shown you today. You don't need the $497 plan, the $297 plan's more than enough. And just so it's clear, you're gonna get full access to my agency OS and all of the bonuses, no matter which plan you pick. Plus, it's a free trial anyway, and you can always upgrade or downgrade later. Okay, let's keep going. Part 4, remove the effort. Because there's exactly one objection left standing between you and the yes, and it's got nothing to do with money. It's this. The owner is picturing himself having to learn and to do something new. New software, new logins, training his crew, one more thing on a plate that's already completely full. And he doesn't have time for that. This is why the last part of the one tool offer overcomes that objection before he even has to bring it up. So here's what you say. And you don't have to learn anything, set up anything, or remember anything. You run your business and I'll take care of the rest. And now look at what we've done when we put all 4 parts of the offer together. It's one thing he understands, it's a result he wants, it costs him nothing if it doesn't work, and it takes 0 effort from him while it does work. Saying no now means choosing to keep living with a problem that he could have had solved, risk-free, without lifting a finger. That's the moment that saying no starts to feel like a bad decision. So here's the whole one tool offer assembled word for word, and just like before, feel free to screenshot this one or write it down. I help landscapers get more Google reviews, which means more customers find you, trust you, and buy from you. It's $297 a month, flat, and if you don't have more reviews by the end of the first month, then you don't pay. And you don't have to learn anything, set up anything, or remember anything. You run your business, I'll take care of the rest. If you'd like, I can have this set up and running for you by Friday. Now, obviously, swap out landscapers with whatever type of niche or business you're going after, but the rest of it stands. So what's the best way to send this offer to a business owner? Well, email works great, and you can use the subject line, quick question, and if you can find the business owner's name to put in front of that, even better. So it might look something like, hey Mike, quick question. Now, before you take this all and run with it, I've got 3 warnings that I need to share with you because I'd rather you hear them from me than learn them the hard way. Warning number 1. The moment you get nervous, your brain is going to try to add more services. Here's how it usually goes. You're gonna send the offer, day's gonna go by with no reply, and you're gonna feel the urge to follow up with, and I also build websites. And just like that, you're this again. You're 20 tools, back in the drawer. Now, if you do follow up, please just do not send any version of, hey, just checking in to make sure you saw this. Instead, what you want to do is give them another reason to pay attention. You want to point out something useful, send them a quick observation, or add a little more value. Just don't panic and start throwing more services into the offer. Instead, let me just tell you, send this message. Hey Mike, quick heads up. I just checked again, and competitor has picked up 14 new reviews since I first messaged you, and your listings added 1. That offer still stands. If you don't have more reviews by the end of the first month, you don't pay. Okay, warning number 2. The guarantee has a boundary. You guarantee more reviews in that first month because the system makes that near certain. You do not guarantee rankings or revenue or reaching number 1 on Google because Google controls its rankings and customers control their wallets. You just guarantee the thing that this system is specifically designed to produce, which is more reviews. And if you ever do have to honor the guarantee, no sweat, you honor it and just move on. That's the whole point of a guarantee. But this is a very simple system solving a very simple problem, which is exactly why I'm comfortable offering it in the first place. Warning number 3. One offer now doesn't mean one offer forever. Once you've got a client paying you for reviews and they're watching them come in week after week, that same client will happily hear about the next problem and how you can help solve it. The missed calls, the outdated website, that kind of thing. That conversation though, that comes later. And it's a much easier conversation because by then you're not some stranger coming at them with a long list of services. Instead, you're the person who's already got them results. So if you want to try this for yourself, here's exactly what I do right now. Grab the extended free trial through the link below. My complete agency OS comes with it, including the exact review system behind everything we talked about, installed into your account with one click, and a whole lot more. But here's the thing. Everything I just showed you today is just one piece of how a one-person agency actually works. If you want the full picture, how to pick your niche, how to price your services, how to put every system together, I've put together a complete free masterclass that I've got linked up right here. That's gonna walk you through the entire thing step by step. So make sure to tap or click that now, and I'll see you in there in just a second. Whoa, I thought it was dead.